Hello and welcome to Tooltime TV. My name's Glyn and this is my workshop, and today we have another eBay vintage haul delivery. Let's go over to the bench and see what we've got. Right, so let's have a glance at what we got. This eBay tool haul. It's not a massive one, but let's go through a few of the tools here. We had a little look before and there's a couple of items that I've spotted that I'll leave towards the end. First of all, let's start with this pipe wrench. I've got loads of these actually, but this is a good make. It's a record number 14, drop forged steel, well made, really heavy duty, great condition. Like I say, I've got a few of these, I've got them on display. So I've got some up there already going out, that's a big one, isn't it? Yep, so I'll kind of clip them, let's have them on display. One day I'll get round to storing them, cleaning them out. But yeah, they last a lifetime, but they'll come up good. In real good condition, like I say. Not been used that much. Not been used for a hammer, there's no dents on there. So that's a good find. So I paid for this box £11.90. So that on its own is £11.90, I would say. Let me know what your favourite is out of this find here. Up to now, it's that for me. What else have we got? An old shave hook, rusty. I think these are kind of used when you got, for like you got flaky paint and you're scraping it, or you've got a heat gun and you're scraping the heating the old paint up and you scrape it off. That looks like it's never been used, apart from obviously all the rust. It's quite an old one. Not very old, it's not massively old, but probably a Harris or something. Fells come loose with that one. Apart from that, it's solid. That just needs tapping back down. I'll go right through there, that's just a pin at the end there, just to cap it off. But yeah, solid, not loose at all. I have a few of them. Oh, there's another one. This is a bit older. This will come up good. Is that brass? I think that could be brass. Oh, looks like it's been welded there. Definitely a weld spot there. Maybe that kept coming loose and it was just put a spot of weld on it. It's got the same, goes right through. That looks better made. Scraper. Got a bit of flex in that, so that'll be like a filling knife. Not really for scraping wallpaper. It's too flexible. That'd be like for filling. Shame it's got a bit of a chunk out of the handle there. What that handle's made out of? Hardwood anyway of some sort, but you got the pins right through, so it's definitely well made. Like everything was back in the day there. Might have some sort of mark on there as it just scratches. And we could probably come back to that. Screwdriver, what's this? Oh, it's a double-ended one. Socket one. Flathead. And fillets. Draper, made in Germany, number 1061 REC 2+ slot, 1/4 inch. Oldish, yeah, acetone handle. Another screwdriver. Now I had one of these similar in one of my my number 4 eBay tool haul. I think it was the last one out actually, and there was one in there similar, and this is it the same? 1 minute, where's the very similar to this. Yes, it's a footprint. It's a footprint, PO and SI. I'll just see the rest of the numbers too. 1979, I think that says. But someone left on the comments it's an XBT. So possibly it's the same, that's an XBT screwdriver. Got another screwdriver, might as well get them out of the way. Another acetone handle. Made in West Germany. Up to 10,000 volts, I think that says. I think so. It's hard to work out because it's got a dent in there, but that's a boxer. That's in good condition. Tip on that's more or less perfect. So I'll use that. That'll just go straight up on my wall there. I know, put it there so you can see what I've got for my money. Silver scraper, shave hook. That's been, wow. That's for getting in little. That's probably for using. You got architrave round the door frames, and you got like the mould. Don't know if that's possibly must have been ground down for that to be used like that, but that's well made. It's in good condition. That'll come up nice. That'll come in handy. That actually, definitely been ground down because it's off. It's not. That's been modified to be used like that, but that would come in handy. Another shave hook, Harris, standard. The head's loose on that. It's got different profiles on it. It's oldish, yeah. The rivet's gone loose. That just a few taps on that. That'll just go solid again. So it's a nice handle, though, isn't it? Well made. It's all right. That. Another one. Looks like that possibly kind of been modified. Tiny bit of play there, but same again, just tap that down, it probably just mushroom over it and tighten it up. Nice handle. Come away slightly there, but the handle's solid, just that bit there. These handles will come up really nice. Bricklayers trowel. That looks like it's been used for filler, wood filler. Doesn't look majorly old, that one. Should see if there's any markings on the valve. No markings on it, but it's apart from the ferrule coming away there. Tap that back down, take all this mortar off, clean that up. It's hardly been used. No make, but can't see any make on it anyway. Nothing on the handle. Well, I can go back in and clean that and go back into service. Stanley Phillips, loads of them. Always come across them. One up here, got loads in the drawer. I'll probably have a full set of them. I should put them all together, see what I've got. Oh yeah, I got one of them the other day as well. This one's got a few scrapes on it though. Right, I like the look of this screwdriver. That's the one on. It's in good condition for the age of this. And this is number 4501, and it's a 75mm times 4mm. Japan. Now that looks well made to me. And the end of that is in good condition. So we'll use that. Yeah, that's a nice little screwdriver. That'll go up in the on my wall. I've saved this one to last because I can see some slight markings on it, and I open right, so it's another bricklayer's trowel. What I can faintly see, when I've done a restoration on a bigger one the other day, I can faintly see a H there. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but there's a, I'm trying to get it. There's a H there. So I'm hoping that is a Brades WHS. Let's go and clean it up and have a look. So I've just cleaned it up around that area, and it is a WHS, but it's like a stamp that is, you see that? It's a different stamp to what I'm used to seeing. So it's got a crown there, and then it's got WHS solid cast steel. Well, that is in great condition. I will definitely be cleaning that one up. I'll restore that one. That'll come up really good. So for me, that is definitely the find of this haul. It's definitely that. And do you know what? I actually quite like that screwdriver. But it's that. That'll come up as a good restoration. So I probably will get onto this more or less straight away. So keep tuned in and you'll see that all cleaned up and restored. So there you go. £11.90. I think I done all right there, don't you? So if you like the video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care. Goodbye.